how to fix your voice chat in Steam. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix your voice chat in Steam. When fixing your voice chat in Steam, all we need to do is open up our Steam right here. So once we open up our Steam, next thing we need to do is once this is open up, all we need to do is do all this to fix our voice chat. First of all, we need to check on our voice, so we can right click here and on the sound button right here, make sure your mic is plugged in, right? Click on recording and set this on default, or the mic that you want, set it on default by right clicking and set on default. There you go. So as you can see right now, we are using the right mic. Now let's say it's still not working or still bugging, click on the Steam right here and then click on settings right there. After clicking on settings right there, next thing we need to do is go down till you see just below the game recording, you will see voice. Press on voice right there. Here to voice, you can now test your mic by pressing on this. There you go. Then you can see and hear yourself. Now you can adjust it to the way you want. For example, like that, 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 or you can change it like that. And end of test when you're comfortable with it. There you go. And then you can see on the voice output as well for your headphones right there. And you can also make it open mic or push to talk, or even push to mute. And you can also test the what they call this voice transmission threshold. Is there you go, as you can see, or you can just leave it on medium, or better yet, off. So there you go. Anyways, there you go guys, that's how I do it. That's and the test right there. So there, hope you guys do enjoyed. If you have no questions or maybe concerns, you can always type it down question below guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible in here on How to Rock It guys. There you go guys, and thank you guys.